सब्सक्राइब का हमारे चैनल सर्वर टेक को और देखें नीट एंट्रांस एग्जामिनेशन के लिए बायोलॉजी के वन लाइनर्स क्वेश्चन का सेट नंबर 34 फ्रेंड्स। और आज के वीडियो में हम पुनः प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं सेल स्ट्रक्चर एंड फंक्शन पर आधारित बहुत सारे वन लाइनर्स क्वेश्चंस को फ्रेंड्स। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज के वीडियो को। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट हमारा, द टाइप्स ऑफ प्लास्टिड व्हिच सर्व functions related to pigment synthesis are known as. The types of plastid which serve functions related to pigment synthesis are chromoplast. Next, the types of plastid which serve functions related to storage of food are known as leucoplast. The types of plastid which serve functions related to storage of food are leucoplast. Next, semi-autonomous cell organelle is mitochondria. Next, the cell organelles having abundance of oxidizing enzymes are again mitochondria. Next, due to presence of cristae in mitochondria, surface area increases of inner membrane. Friends, we know that mitochondria is also known as powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria is the site of cellular respiration. Mitochondria is the site of ATP formation, and from the inner wall of mitochondria, finger-like projections protrude in the matrix of the mitochondria known as cristae, and cristae increases the surface area of the inner membrane. And again, here the question, mitochondria is semi-autonomous cell organelle because it has DNA and it synthesizes their own protein. So, this is also known as semi-autonomous cell organelle. Next, elementary particles of mitochondria are F1 particles. Next, hydrolytic enzymes are abundantly found in ribosomes, and so ribosomes are known as digestive bags or bags of suicide. Next, what is the main function of the centrosome? Is formation of spinal fibers is the main function of the centrosome. Next, what is the main function of the ribosome in a cell? This is the protein synthesis, which is the main function of protein synthesis, and ribosome is known as the center of protein synthesis. Next, ribosomes are made up of ribosomal RNA and proteins. Next, lysosomes are abundantly found in phagocytic cells. Next, rough endoplasmic reticulum mainly responsible for protein synthesis because the surface of this endoplasmic reticulum becomes rough due to the presence of the ribosomes, and as we know, ribosomes are the site of the protein synthesis. Next, besides producing secretory vesicles, the function of Golgi body lysosome formation is also the function of the Golgi body because besides its secretory function. Next, the full form of DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid. Next, rRNA is synthesized by nucleolus. This is the ribosomal RNA. And ribosome is also known as ribonucleoprotein. Next, the peroxisomes is an organelle responsible for breaking down fatty acid and other molecules. Next, the endomembrane system does not include peroxisome. Next, three morphological forms of the Golgi complex are cisternae, tubules, and vesicles. Next, Golgi body originates from the endoplasmic reticulum or ER. Next, main function of the Golgi complex is packaging of materials for secretion or secretory function. Next, chemical modification of substance that like Glycosidation of the protein and lipid occur in Golgi body. Next, acrosome of a sperm is derived from Golgi vesicles. Next, DNA is found in nucleus, mitochondria, and chloroplast. So, we can say DNA is found inside the nucleus and also outside the nucleus in the cytoplasm, that is, in the mitochondria and the chloroplast. Next, bacteria possesses a small DNA other than circular DNA, which is called as plasmid. Next, mitochondria and chloroplast are considered to be endosymbionts of cell because they possess their own nucleic acid. Next, cell membrane is selectively permeable. This means that it allows only certain materials to pass through, allows only ions to pass. Next,